right now I'm gonna show you how to make one of these DIY paint rollers so you can start painting your shoes. So what you're gonna need is hair rollers. That's where I got the sponge from, right there. And you're gonna need a hanger, some needle nose pliers, and I got a pair of needle nose vice grip pliers. Now we're just gonna cut it. Now, here I'm gonna cut here. Now basically you're gonna put it through here like this, bend here, bend it up to lock it in, and bend it up this way, like so, just following that same pattern. Get like an inch with my fingertip right here, bend it again, like so. Come down the middle, bend it, like so. And then finally, the top, I do it about the size of my hand. Right here, down the middle of my hand, and we could bend there. Just like so. Then you could just cut it. It's not bad as good as the first one I made, but it's almost the same. So here I got the filler. I'm just gonna put some of that on that gash. You can sand if you want to. That was already pre-sanded. So over here I don't have to sand really. And then we're gonna apply that like so. We're gonna let that dry. It dries in about 30 minutes, fully cured, sometimes faster depending on how much you put on it. All right, so we got this dried up, piece of 220. I'm just gonna sand this down as smooth as we can get it.
Please go take a look at the latest in sneaker restoration hacks by Footprinse.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY fan brush. This brush will give you the ability to cut corners, seams, and edges on sneakers without using any tape. How to make a DIY paint strainer. Cut off the top of a plastic bottle, add in a screen, pour in your gloss or paint, and capture debris. Okay, in this video, I was doing a tongue replacement on a pair of Air Jordan 11s because the material on the tongue was frayed. So instead of going to the fabric store, here's how to fix suede and nubuck that's been damaged from everyday cleaning and just normal old age. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you my setup and how I...
Sneaker Restoration by Footprinse. Footprinse has over 50 sneaker restoration products to choose from, which makes fixing your sneakers easy. And if you need help, join our sneaker restoration classes.